Thorritio strike at the car wash.
What's up, buddy?
Hey.
Good boy.
He's very friendly.
He's a very friendly boy.
Thorritio, that's his name.
Oh, Thorritio?
Thorritio strike.
Oh, what's up, Thorritio? Welcome to Washoe, my man. You like Washoe? Yeah? Hey, yeah. You love getting ticket right here, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Huh? Thorritio, take care, okay? Take care, Thorritio.
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye, Baba. Come on, get ready to go inside the car wash. Gonna have fun. Ready to open the gate. You can't wait today until you go in that car wash. Hey, Baba. Baba. Thorritio. Thorritio. Thorritio strike. Taking forever. Yeah. That's Thorritio strike. My dog is saying hi. Thorritio strike saying hi. All right.
Have a good one.
All right, Thorritio, let's go. We're going to the car wash. Go. Go. Sit down.
Good boy.
And here we go. Thorritio Sanchez strike.
Sit your butt. Good boy.
There you go. What's that meaning? What you doing, girl? See his dog?